Welcome to Spyder Auto. Today we're making a taillight installation video on a 1999 to 2004 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Only tool needed for this install is a Phillips screwdriver. First step, remove 2 Phillips screws securing the taillight. Next, go ahead and unseat your taillight. After that, you're gonna slide up the red clip to unlock the connector. Then press on the tab. Disconnect. Gonna bring over your taillight, plug it in. Slide the red clip to lock it in place. Drop the guide pin into the slot and reinstall your 2 Phillips screws. And after installing the driver's side, repeat the same process to the passenger side. After installing your taillights, close the tailgate and test the taillight functions.